I just arrived here at Tintagel and got out the car and thought, well, you need a loo when you've been driving a while, and only to find that you have to pay 20 pence for a pee or a dump. There you go. Toilets 20p. At the moment it's actually not working, so you can get it for nothing. But that's what they want to charge. Today we're in Tintagel in Cornwall. Interesting. There's some footbridge that we have to go across to get to the castle. And I don't know whether I am going to be able to do that, but I'll have to see. A shop and a half, this one, look at that lot. Oh, this old gear. Used to have some of those. My parents had stuff like that. Come on in. This might be a bit of a hike. It's a hell of a steep hill down, which means it's going to be a steep one getting up. The chair's halfway up, which is a bit scary. And apparently there's over, how many steps are there? 140 steps as well. So I think the air ambulance might have to be called today. And look at that on the hill. Church on the hill, I think. Pink flowers in Cornwall. That's what you get in Cornwall, according to my missus anyway. Lots and lots of pink flowers along the hedgerows. This is probably going to be a busy day here today, but never mind. Look at that lot coming up them steps. Good God. How many people? Just a few. We might take a shot here. This could be interesting. It's quite a scenic walk through here anyway. Apart from shitloads of people, but can't have everything, I suppose. I've never been to Tintagel before. Well, I have actually, online, a long time ago, but never been over the bridge. Mind you, I think my old puffer will go if I have to go across that bridge. If I go across it, of course. We'll see. This is where we just walked from. And this little camera is on ×2. That's a bit further away than it looks, believe it or not. It's a bit nerve-wracking even being up here for me. Well, it is these days anyway. Let's see how much further we've got to go. Let's see what's over here, shall we? I think we're just about to go over that bridge. Oh dear. Well, this is where we're going to walk across in a minute. Well, I'm going to try to. Whether I'll make it or not, I don't know. We'll give it a go, we'll see what happens. Get you on the bridge. Oh, look at the views. can feel my pupper going now. It's not very nice. Dear, dear, dear. I'll be honest, I don't like this. Well, I do like it. What I don't like is the feeling of being out on this bridge. Look at those views though, absolutely amazing. And there's the other side. I think that's Cornish coast over there. Wow. People doing selfies. My selfie's running down my leg, I think. Hope not. Shut up. I don't like gaps. I don't like gaps. I don't do gaps. We're walking on a bridge now. And this is scary. I don't like it. I really don't like this. I love the scenery, it's amazing. What the? Pardon me, sorry about that one. Oh dear. This is the bridge from the other side. Loads of people on it. And this is a Wednesday in June. Amazing scenery. Those rocks are just something else. They really are. There you go, I'm filming that down, that's below me. And trust me, I'm holding onto this wall. I've got white knuckles here. Look. Beautiful. Well done, English Heritage. Nice one here, I must say. Apart from the price, but we'll go into that a bit later in the video. Wooden sailing ships laden with goods from the Mediterranean is being unloaded down the deep harbour. There are shouts, familiar languages. A large jar is brought up to the steep slope containing olive oil. Now I'd have thought it would have been more like rum, but never mind. The way this path has worn away. People walking over it for donkey's years. Or probably water actually, I would think. Look at the way it's all gone around the edge. Lovely. The power of water. I love the layers and layers of what looks like slate. Yep, we're going up some steps, even more steps. This is where we're going now. Even more, higher and higher. My wife doesn't want to stand on that edge. Frankly, nor do I. Well, I've made it up here, but I ain't standing on the edge. That's back to where we just come from. Rugged Cornish coast in all its splendour. Sorry about people talking in the background, but I can't help that, I'm afraid. King Arthur. Yeah, he's still alive after all these years, and he's standing at the top here at Tintagel. There's a few people around him at the moment, but I'll King Arthur and his followers. They might not look much on the video with these steps, but I'm telling you they are. Well, we're back along this bridge and it's still making me want to crap myself. Pardon me, sorry about that. Oh, it's done it. Killed another one as well now. Oh, I don't like this. Whoops, oh God. Oh dear, it feels like it's moving under my feet.
Bouncy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Bouncy, yeah.
Don't like that, mate. Don't like that.
I'm going to put the nuts back on it.
Hey, yeah, go on then. Yeah, please, yeah.
Stop it.
I'm going to crap myself in a minute.
They're too photogenic for them.
God, made it just. Beyond this workman. He's got all the nuts in that bag. Yeah, there are all the nuts in there.
That's it, mate. Yeah, I've got everything.
There's a shuttle bus down there. And guess what? We've missed it. Look, there it goes. This hill going back up is horrendous. 45 degrees it is, looking at it. Bloody steep. I'll see at the top if I don't die first. Well, that was Tintagel today. Quite enjoyable, surprisingly. I didn't think it was going to be, but it has been. That's me being a miserable old fart. I hope you enjoyed it anyway. There might be a bit more yet, I don't know. But if not, thanks for watching the video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Over and out.